tractors, oh tractors, they get the job done, yeah! They have great big tires, so they don't slip and slide. They have great big engines, and this is what they sound like.